Changing the drop links on the F20, F21 1 series and F22 2 series. Now firstly I'll apologise for the camera work on this video. I had to record it all with one hand, unfortunately. These are the new drop links by Delphi. This is the top mount, and if we turn the wheel the other way, this is the bottom mount. So we don't need to remove the wheels, we just need to jack the car up the best we can on the front. And the ones we've got are 16mm, they may differ slightly. And the centre is a T30 Torx on this one. You'll need to hold the centre and be turning it clockwise while removing the nut anti-clockwise. The bottom is a little more difficult because there is very little room to the side of the drop link. So we've got this short Torx key that I've had to use for this job. Place the new drop links in the same way that they came out. There's no top or bottom for the drop link, just make sure that it goes back in the holes the same way around that the original one came out. These Delphi drop links have a 5mm hex in the centre. It may differ depending on the manufacturer part that you've bought. And tighten with a spanner while holding the centre.